are in the kitchen today, and I know this is a little bit something different, but I thought I would share with you guys. I have been getting into juicing, and I thought it would be cool to share with you. So, one thing I want to start off with are the benefits of juicing. So, when you juice, you are getting all of those rich vitamins and minerals into your body. Your body can absorb them a lot better. If you are having issues with like digestion, juicing could be really good for you. I am not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist. I am just doing this on my own to see how it helps me. I know that certain fruits and vegetables like boost my energy, they make me feel better. So that's really kind of why I got into juicing, to make sure, number one, that I am getting the fruits and vegetables that I need on a daily basis, and two, to help give me that energy. I just thought it would be cool to make a video. If you guys are interested, I can give you guys more recipes. So I thought I'd start off with this first one. It tastes so good. It is actually apples, carrots, and ginger. So I'm a ginger girl. I love ginger. So I love like ginger beer. I love like ginger tea. It helps especially with cramps. So if you are like having issues with cramps, I would definitely recommend you drinking ginger tea to see if that helps you, because it does really help me. And when you are juicing, you can come up with so many different recipes, so many different combinations. Like I said, what I'm using today, apples. Apples are really good for vitamin C. It helps to fight off infection. It helps heal wounds. Apples also give me personally a lot of energy. The second thing I said was carrots. Carrots are very high in vitamin A, and carrots are really good for your eye health. So if you are wanting to improve your eyesight or just your overall eye health, carrots are very, very good. Now, fun fact about me, I've always loved carrot juice, even when I was a little kid. Don't know why, have no idea, but it's just very tasty to me. So I love incorporating carrots into my juicing as well. Ginger, the big thing that we were just talking about. Ginger is good for so many things. I think one of the main qualities a lot of people like to use ginger is for the anti-inflammatory capabilities and properties. Ginger helps with your digestion as well. Ginger always helps me, like if my stomach feels upset or anything. If I drink some ginger in some type of way, form, or shape, or eat ginger, like it really like balances out my stomach. Now, one other thing that I will want to mention, if you are just starting out, I would definitely suggest that you do your research about juicing. Also research the different fruits and vegetables, how they can help you hit whatever type of nutritional goals or goals that you're looking for, because each vegetable, each fruit is different, and it will give you different, components. Like I said, the apple is good, vitamin C. Of course, you can do oranges. Oranges are really good for vitamin C. You can do spinach, you can do cucumbers, celeries, like all types of fruits and vegetables. So I would, one, recommend that you do your research on the different fruits and vegetables that you want to use. And then after that, just try and experiment to see how you like them put together. So make small batches at first to see if you like the juice. And then if you like it, then go from there. But you can get as creative with it as you want. You can experiment as much as you want. Another thing I would say watch out for as well is fruits and vegetables are really good for you. But the thing that you have to worry about, like if you're trying to lose weight and things of that nature, fruits and vegetables can be, when you're juicing, when you're drinking your juice, it can be high in calories, and it also can be high in sugar. So that's something that, again, make sure you're doing your research as far as how much you're intaking, how much you're drinking. So like, I'm not making a juice and then drinking 3-4 glasses of it during the day. I actually like to put them in these little shot glasses that I'll show you guys in a bit. And I just do like a shot a day or something like that. So you also want to be mindful of those calories and the sugar, because especially with fruits we all know are naturally high in sugar. So you do want to make sure that you are aware and paying attention to that. So that's about all my little spill from the beginning. Again, I will highly, highly, highly recommend you guys to do your research. Always do your research, guys. You know, our bodies are different. Our bodies are going to react different to different things and do what works for you. So this recipe is one of my personal favorites. It helps me with my energy. The ginger, like I said, settles my stomach and all the good things as far as my digestion. So yeah, do your research and then get to experimenting to see what works for you. All right, y'all, let's get into this recipe. There are about 6 apples that I cut up. One thing about apples is you want to make sure that you take the seeds out. I did some research and they say that it's not good to actually juice the seeds of the apple. So I make sure I cut my apples up and I cut the seeds out as well. Make sure you're washing your fruits and vegetables. Everything here has already been pre-washed, pre-cut up as I need. My carrots, I also did a little research on the carrots and they said to soak them in water for 30 minutes. That helps with the juicing, and so I did just that. These were soaking in water for 30 minutes. I washed them, I cut the tops off and the bottoms, and that's it. So it's I have about 12 carrots here, and then my ginger. As far as the ginger, I did peel the skin off of mine, and that's just my preference. If you want to leave the skin on, you can do that as well. And for reference, this is 1 whole ginger, okay? So we have our ginger, our carrots, our apples, our machine is ready. Let's get juicing. So there's no particular order that you need to go in. I'm gonna start with my apples just because this is what I have the most of, but it doesn't matter which one you start with. As the juice fills up in this cup, I will be transferring it to this large glass measuring cup just because I just had it handy and I can put all the juice in here. And yeah, I am going to go ahead and start juicing. I'm going to let you guys watch. It is going to get loud, so I'm just going to put some music over top of this so y'all don't hear this loud juicing machine. So here we go. Now we have our juice, and I'm gonna give it a stir just to mix it all up. It looks so good, y'all, and it made quite a bit. And I am going to actually put this juice in these little containers because, like I said, I like to make little shots. These are 2-ounce little glasses that I got from Amazon, so I will link these. I like these glasses. They come with the tops. They're 2 ounces, so it's pretty much like you're making your own wellness shot. You know how you can get them. I know people get them from Trader Joe's or any grocery store really sells them at this point, but you can make your own. You can put whatever you want in them, make your own recipe, and it's best to keep, if you're gonna make your juice, it's best not to put it in plastic. It's best to put it in glass, especially for storing in the refrigerator. All right, so I'm gonna give it a stir one more time because we want to make sure that it's combined well before we are putting them into our little glasses here. That's good. Another reason why I like using this measuring cup because it already has like a little pouring spout on it, so it makes it easier to pour up these glasses. And here we go. are our little wellness shots, you guys. Super cute. I'm gonna pop them in the refrigerator. I do have some juice left over. I'm gonna pop this in a glass and go ahead and take a sip and drink it myself. So I poured the rest of it up in a cup. I'm going to actually drink this for myself. Let's go ahead and taste it. So good. You can taste the apple, the carrot, and the ginger. It is so refreshing, so delicious, and it's gonna be even better cold. So I probably will pop this in the refrigerator so it can get a little colder. And you guys, I'm telling you, I'm so into juicing. So if you do like this video, if you would like to see more of my recipes that I put together, go ahead and definitely give this video a thumbs up. And I can incorporate more recipes as I learn and put them together and experiment to see which ones I like and to see which ones help me feel better. So hopefully you guys, if you're into juicing, if you're trying to get into juicing, hopefully this video and the videos to come will help. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we have so many more good things coming. And I love you guys. See y'all in the next video. Be well.